Aaron Engel from Fresh-Aire UV. We're here at the Diversitech Trade Show booth showing our all new products for 2024 here at AHR Chicago. Now we are so excited to have at the show the release of our Apco-X and our Apco-X Ultra. Now both products are designed to address indoor air quality, complement that filter, address those contaminants that pass through a filter like sand through a tennis racket. Bacteria, viruses, mold, chemicals, odors, and VOCs are addressed with our Apco-X and our Apco-X Ultra. What's new for the new products is the fact that we are incorporating LED notification, lamp notification. As great as these products are, it's important that customers know when to replace those lamps, and these new products do introduce the LED notifications that will allow the customer to know when it's time to replace the lamp. Now these are simulating a 2-year lamp on our Apco-X. It's a 2-year lamp, so it'll go from solid blue to flashing red and solid red, of course, noting that it's time to replace the lamp. On our Apco-X Ultra that we have here, that is a 3-year lamp. And of course, the control box will notify the user. It'll be a solid blue, it'll move to a flashing red and a solid red, denoting it's time to replace the lamp. So we're really excited these new products. They are doing what they do very well, which is neutralize biologicals, odors and VOCs, and as well keep the coil and the evaporator coil clean and sterile, making sure that the air in the home is as clean and the equipment is as efficient as it possibly could be.